In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple product with WooCommerce. Whether you're a seasoned online retailer or just starting to dip your toes into e-commerce waters, this guide will simplify the process of setting up a product on your WooCommerce store. Let's get started. First, head to wordpress.com. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to building your website. If you don't have a site yet, you'll need to start there. Once you're at the home page, log in with your existing WordPress account credentials. This will allow you to access your dashboard and manage your sites seamlessly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center where you'll manage all aspects of your website, including adding new products via WooCommerce. Look for the Products section in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will take you to everything you need to manage your online store's inventory. Inside the Products section, you'll see an Add New Product button. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll input the details for your new product. There are several fields available to fill out, such as the product name, description, and price. Be sure to provide a detailed description to entice your potential customers. A well-written product description not only informs but can also engage your visitors, encouraging them to add your products to their cart. Next, scroll down to the Product Data section. This is crucial as it contains options to configure various product settings. In this section, you can set prices, inventory levels, and shipping options. For a simple product, leave the default type as Simple Product. If your product comes with different sizes or variations, you'll want to make sure to add these under the Attributes tab. Click on Attributes and then Add to set size options or any other variations you may have. Remember, attention to detail in this step can directly affect how your products show up to potential buyers. Each attribute or variation can significantly enrich the customer experience by providing them with choices that suit their needs. Once you have filled out all necessary product data, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Details such as pricing and product description can directly impact sales, so it's worth spending a few extra minutes to make sure all information is flawlessly presented. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything is set up correctly, click on the Publish button to make your product live on your store. And just like that, you've added a new product to your WooCommerce store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in setting up products on your own. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with WooCommerce, the more intuitive it will become. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!